Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. My name's Adam. Welcome back to Kaputy Inc. I'm sick of this bench seat, so we're doing buckets. My service truck's got a bench seat in it. We've done the best we can with the center console here off like eBay or whatever, but I'm parting out a truck. Got some bench and a console, so we're gonna switch it over. Here's the seats I got. Not the cleanest, we'll give them a little scrub down. And you see this one got beat up. Driver's side. Passenger side's fine. Center console's looking good still. But we're gonna fix this foam up a little bit, and I got a new seat cover for it, so we're gonna get this thing ready to rock. Got the seat bottom apart, okay? Foam here is torn up worse than your high school girlfriend after she spent the night at the prom king's house because you weren't cool enough, bitch. Anyways, we're gonna take the old carving knife, the turkey knife there from the wife's kitchen. We'll slice off the shitty parts. And we got some foam from Joanne Fabric, nice ladies over there. And we'll use some of this Super 77. We'll tack that shit on, and we'll start carving it up a little bit. Try and give it like a little bit of structure. So stay tuned. All right, that was fun. We got this cut out. We did a step here because I got a piece of square foam there, so we're gonna let that butt in. That Super 77 really sticks to it. We got rid of like the shitty cancerous stuff. You can see this is like really starting to deteriorate and fall apart. We got ourselves some nice, squishy, soft, firm feeling foam here.
And you feel it, and it feels like a bag of sand when you're...
So we got ourselves a good base. We took the angle grinder there, the die grinder, and we smoothed her out, made sure there wasn't any odd spots, high spots, so we'll start gluing that shit on. Some seat foam trimmed up here. A little grinder action with the DA.
Here's an extra $1.
Yeah. Good enough for your mom. All right, got the cover on. Fits like a $30 seat cover off of eBay. It's a little, it could be better kind of situation, but the foam seems to be even on both sides, so we'll get her reassembled. Seats all back together. Decided to put some pre-stains in it. See how they fit in the truck. All right, seats out, new seats in. They could use a good cleaning, of course, but all the holes are already in the floor pan. We had to cut the rubber back on this one and pull like a silicone or kind of plug out of there. There's some sort of floor sealer. The other side just had a plug in it. You could see where it was. Like the hole was already in the rubber. We stole the studs out of the back of, here, let me sit down for a second. We stole the studs out of the other truck floor pan because obviously we don't need them anymore. So like that one has a stud instead of a bolt. This one had the stud from the bench seat still. So you just got to keep track of stuff. There's some holes already here because there's seat belts for the bench seat that bolt into these places. So it's really, I think, just the front two center mount things for the center console and the center post of the seat. Here is all you need. So there's a straight swap. The driver's side, like seatbelt warning light, plugged right in, and it goes off. I tried it out already. Install finished. Seat cover kind of matches. I didn't really see anything that matches this exactly. I don't know if this is just really worn out this, or if this is just a really cheap seat cover. So yeah, this was like literally like 35 bucks on eBay, something like that. You can tell the side foam here isn't like the heavy, almost carpet feeling a factory one.
Because of the way it is. Wow.
But we're gonna put a seat cover on it, I do believe anyways. We took a little soap and water and scrubbed these seats. Nice cigarette burn.
You really jarred something loose, Tiger.
We scrubbed that seat. You know, it could be better. We could take a steam cleaner to them. This one managed to already get a stain in it from working on a dirty bench top. Because I'm an idiot, but what is that? Oh. Anyways. Hey, let's check out the passenger side. First day opening the door. Yeah, we got the seat all cleaned up a little bit there. Not all cleaned up. You know, like it's not. It's a little wet. Like I had your sister in there during high school. That wasn't me. That was...
No, they didn't. But you can imagine what it'd be like if they did, right? Huh?
Somebody much more handsome and popular than me. But nonetheless, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Keep your comments tasty, you know? Like, tell me I'm an idiot. Tell me how handsome I am. I am. Don't worry about that. That's just a zit. You get them. I just turned 40. These things still happen. All right. I'm out of here.